Hello everyone, and welcome back to Inside Elegance. I'm Ashley, and today we're diving into something a little spooky, but definitely stylish: how to decorate your home with a touch of class this Halloween. Whether you're hosting a party, or just want to add a seasonal flair to your living space, I'll be guiding you through chic Halloween decor ideas for every room in your home. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get started on creating hauntingly beautiful spaces that bring both elegance and a bit of eerie charm into your home. Your entryway is the first thing guests will see, and it sets the tone for your entire home. For a classy Halloween vibe, less is often more. Think about incorporating subtle elements like black and white pumpkins, faux black crows, and lanterns with flickering candles. Draping a sleek, gauzy fabric over your entryway table and hanging a monochromatic Halloween wreath on the door are simple ways to strike a balance between spooky and sophisticated. You can also play with lighting by adding warm, dimmed lamps or fairy lights woven through dried branches for an extra touch of mystery. Remember, elegance doesn't mean cluttered. Choose a few statement pieces that evoke the Halloween spirit without overwhelming the space. The living room is where you want comfort to meet Halloween enchantment. Consider decorating your fireplace mantle with velvet pumpkins in neutral tones, mercury glass candle holders, and vintage-inspired candelabras for an elevated look. To bring a bit of Halloween spirit without going overboard, use throw pillows with subtle Halloween motifs like bats or skeletons, but in muted, sophisticated colors like deep purples, grays, and blacks. A chic velvet throw blanket draped over your sofa can instantly transform the space into a cozy yet mysterious setting. Adding a decorative skull on a coffee table alongside a stack of dark-toned books can create a thematic focal point without losing the room's classiness. Now, let's move on to the dining room, where elegance meets a gothic-inspired feast. To achieve a hauntingly beautiful dining setup, start with a dark, velvet tablecloth and accent it with silver or gold cutlery for a touch of sophistication. Tall, black taper candles and ornate candle holders bring drama, while an understated centerpiece of black roses or dried florals in deep burgundy adds just the right amount of eeriness. Consider using antique-style dishware, like bone china with delicate patterns, to enhance the Gothic elegance. Keep the decor simple but impactful, allowing the dark and moody color palette to set the scene for an unforgettable, eerie yet elegant dinner. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, and Halloween decor here should be more understated yet still cohesive with the rest of your home. A chic way to incorporate Halloween into your kitchen is by using black and white dish towels with simple spooky designs like spiders or skeletons. Add a few strategically placed mini pumpkins, or even a bowl of dark, shiny apples as a centerpiece. If you want to take it a step further, switch out your everyday mugs for black or metallic ones, and place a few spooky yet classy accessories, like a vintage-style cauldron or a silver tray filled with candles. The key is to keep the kitchen functional but add small touches that bring in the Halloween spirit with style. Your bedroom is a sanctuary, and Halloween decor here should be subtle, elegant, and restful. Opt for dark, luxurious bedding, think black satin or velvet comforters paired with gold or silver accents. A few well-placed Halloween-themed throw pillows, perhaps with a simple spider web or moon motif, can bring a seasonal touch without overwhelming the space. You can also add a chic, spooky touch with black lace curtains or a vintage mirror that has an eerie, yet beautiful vibe. The idea is to keep your bedroom feeling calm and cozy, but with a slight nod to Halloween that feels both elegant and a little bit mysterious. Yes, even the bathroom can get a classy Halloween makeover. Keep things minimal but impactful by adding dark-toned hand towels, perhaps embroidered with subtle Halloween icons like skulls or bats. You can swap out your regular soap dispenser for one in a metallic finish, or place black candles on the counter for a dramatic touch. A small vase with dried black or burgundy flowers can bring an element of sophistication while maintaining the Halloween theme. If you have extra counter space, a decorative apothecary jar filled with dark-colored bath salts or faux eyeballs can add just the right amount of eerie elegance. Your porch or patio is the perfect place to extend your Halloween decor outdoors. Stick to a monochrome color scheme, black, white, and shades of gray, to keep things looking elegant. Use large, pale pumpkins stacked by the front door, or drape black lace over porch railings for a spooky yet classy effect. Lanterns filled with candles or string lights in warm tones can add ambience without overpowering the subtlety of the decor. If you have seating areas outdoors, consider adding a couple of plush, dark-toned pillows and a cozy throw blanket to make the space feel inviting while still nodding to the haunting season. Even the hallways and staircases in your home can carry that hauntingly beautiful theme. For staircases, drape black tulle or lace along the handrails, and add flickering LED candles to each step for a magical, ghostly glow. If you have framed art along your hallway, temporarily swap it out for vintage Halloween prints or black and white photos that give an eerie but elegant feel. Don't forget to scatter a few mini pumpkins or skull figurines along any shelves or side tables in your hallways. The goal is to keep the decor refined, but with a mysterious twist that guides guests through your home in a way that feels both cohesive and enchanting. And there you have it, classy Halloween decor ideas for every room in your home. I hope these tips inspire you to create a space that's both elegant and a little bit spooky this season. Remember, it's all about striking the perfect balance between sophisticated style and Halloween fun. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite decorating tip, and subscribe to Inside Elegance for more home decor inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and have a hauntingly beautiful Halloween. Until next time, stay inspired, stay elegant, and I'll see you in the next video.